Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a video background in Framer. This is a fantastic way to make your website more dynamic and engaging, adding visual interest that can really capture your visitors' attention. Let's jump right in and get this set up. First, open your browser and navigate to framer.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Framer dashboard where all your projects are stored and managed. Now that you're on the dashboard, locate and click on the project where you want to add the video background. This opens up your project in the Framer editor, giving you access to all the design and customization tools you'll need. With your project open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From there, click on Media and then select Video. This action prepares Framer to add a video element to your canvas. Next, you'll need to drag the video element onto your canvas. Once it's placed, click on the video element to select it. This is important because selecting it activates the Properties panel on the right side of your screen, where you'll make all the necessary adjustments. On the right side panel, make sure that the position setting is set to absolute. This is crucial because it allows the video to be positioned freely and independently of other elements on your page, which is exactly what you need for a full screen background. Now, adjust the positioning values, set the top, right, left, and bottom values all to 0. This ensures that your video stretches to cover the entire screen, creating that seamless background effect you're aiming for. If you want to adjust how visible the video is, you can modify the opacity slider. This is useful if you want the video to be slightly transparent, allowing other content to remain readable on top of it. Also, make sure that the visible option is set to yes, so the video actually displays on your page. Now it's time to add your actual video file. In the source section, click on Upload, then click on Choose File. Navigate to where your video is stored on your computer and select it. Give it a moment to upload, especially if it's a larger file, as this might take a bit of time to process. Once your video is uploaded, locate the playing setting and make sure it's set to yes. This ensures that your video starts playing automatically when someone visits your page, which is typically what you want for a background video. After you've confirmed all your settings are correct, click the Publish button in the upper right corner. This makes your changes live, and your video background is now active on your website. And that's it, you've successfully added a video background to your Framer project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.